The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and NASA. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Please pay attention to this alert during global emergency has ongoing. Our world is coming to a terrible end. NASA has discovered that the Earth's core has a giant hole and then will cause to explode. The Earth's core is expected to explode within the next 2 hours, exploding into multiple pieces. There is nothing we can do to stop or escape this phenomenon event. Go into panic mode if you want. Gather your friends, pets, family, children, and kids, and prepare for your death. The national anthem will play for the final time. May God bless America.